Afternoon, everyone. Welcome to what is the very first vlog I've ever done. Sort of said I would never do this. I've got a face for radio and a voice for silent movies, but here we are. I've come out this afternoon to a local woodland, very close to home, which I've explored a couple of times. There are some really nice waterfalls in here, so that's what I'm hoping to do today. We're not going to follow the advice of 2000s pop band TLC, and we are going to go chasing waterfalls today. So hopefully we'll get some nice images from it. Weather's very overcast, so it's ideal for it. The forest here is a little bit of a walk in, and it's quite dense when you get inside. There's one set of falls I'm particularly looking forward to, so yep, watch me as I get ready and come with me and see if I get anything, and just basically have a laugh at the vlog that's coming out, hopefully. Let's go. Welcome to the woodland. We've got off the beaten track. We're now in the woods. As you can hear, or probably hear, the falls are running. So now that we're here, I'm gonna start at the bottom, find a few falls, shoot a few falls, and try and head up to the top. I found this this spot only recently, and it looks such a good spot to explore. So come with me, head up the falls, see if I can get some shots, and yeah, see what we can find. Hopefully you can hear me. I'll try and speak quite loudly. We haven't come too far up the falls, and immediately I found what I think is going to be my first shot. I'm going to set up here. I've got a set of 20mm f11 100 ISO. No need for any filters. It's quite dark in the forest, so we should get slow enough shutter speeds. I'll just flip you around and see what we've got. So as you can see, flowing all the way down there, and we've got this really nice bright red rock just down here, which adds a bit of splash of colour to it, as well as the greenery. Hopefully it works and I'll get a few shots, then we'll head further up. I'll see you soon. Yeah, so I've just taken another lot of shots here. It's impossible not to stop every 5 meters. It heads further up. This is generally as far as I've got when I've been here before, so I'm gonna pick up the tripod and try and get up a lot higher and see what there is. But it is absolutely stunning, this place. You really couldn't fail to get any images, he says. Hopefully, but yeah, I'm gonna have to turn this off now, because getting up higher is going to be a little bit tricky. I'm probably going to need both hands. Alright, so getting a bit higher was a lot trickier than I anticipated, but I've fought my way up. I actually found it easier coming up through the stream than on the sides, which have got quite steep and there's a lot of fallen trees. But I've found my next composition, and I'll flip you around, talk you through what I've got. So, as you can see, we found this nice little curvy waterfall, which is flowing from up here all the way down and into the bottom of the left hand side of the frame. Again, you don't need filters, it's a long enough exposure. I've had to boost the ISO just to bring the exposure down a little bit because I want to get the exposure time to around about half a second, maybe a little bit more. We'll have a look and play around with it, but yeah, that's what we've got. Gonna get this shot in the bag, and then yeah, it looks like it's gonna be tricky getting any higher, but we'll give it a go. I've reached the clearing at the, I would say, top of the falls, or as far as I'm going to get. When I flick you around, you'll see it gets quite messy now with fallen trees. It's extremely boggy, but it's been a great walk up here. Loved every minute of it. Got some cracking images, I think, and yeah, hopefully people will have a look in. One or two might enjoy it. It's not something that I really want to be doing on a regular basis because I know how much effort it takes. I just enjoy taking the photographs mainly. So yeah, if it works, thanks for looking into my first foray into to vlogging. And apologies that it's not as slick as some out there, but I've got very limited equipment for vlogging, but I just thought people might want to see this. It's a beautiful spot. The West Highlands is, and this forest has got so much to explore, and it's a place I'll come back to. So yeah, thanks for looking in.